July 28th and we're here in a wolf caution area where a bear hound was killed on July 13th, less than a quarter mile away. And we're actually here just monitoring wolf activity when a group of 4 trucks came through with hounds, and one of the trucks is back here right now. You can kind of hear the hounds in the background. So we're just We saw a group of hound hunters who put down dogs in this area, and we've stayed by the bear bait where we've been filming wolf pups since July 17th, and we just heard over our radios that the hound hunters ran into wolves.
When we were driving down here, we heard a few guys over the radio that had said they had wolves howling at them and that they still had dogs out.